parameters this is next part of the so here a person told that they keeps on checking the stuff basically. They keeps on checking the stuff basically through each and every season data basically. So here one person told like this basically stuff basically are connected. So here one person told that let's take few example basically. Assume that basically France group say that basically Sunil basically we have our 100 human needs basically within the Mumbai. Within the Mumbai basically 100 needs basically are created of the France only basically. So France group say that basically we have created 55 buildings basically in France. Sorry, in Mumbai basically, not France. France group basically is handling that building basically from France. You can just see basically how the things are connected. For example, France say that basically we have created this apple basically from France data. So assume that basically that is 1 lakh kilogram apple basically. So to secure that 1 lakh kilogram apple basically, they say that basically we have created this 55 buildings. Like this 1 lakh kilo apple is there, grapes are there, fruits are there, vegetables basically are there. Many things basically France say that basically they have created. They say that basically we have oil also basically. So long before oil might have processed basically. So they say that basically we have created the 55 buildings in Mumbai. So whatever rain basically is going to fall basically to certain area. For example, in 55 building might not be in one place basically. It might be in different places basically. So whatever rain basically is falling to that area basically, in that France group also basically have the contribution basically. So one person told that like this basically things are connected basically. So you can just imagine basically up to what level basically the things are connected basically. And this everything basically is handled by government only. Governments are handling. So next it is